Hello guys, welcome to Alone Traveler on Ship. This is Big Ship Engine. Now you are seeing on the top view. There you can see one engine room crane and one more is this one. This is engine room crane. This is used to do maintenance on the main engine to lift heavy items like piston or exhaust valves. All the things related to the engine we used to lift by this one. That area is easier and you can see on the top side whatever the things are there. Okay, now we are going to see the boiler of the ship. So boiler is very important equipment for the ship, especially for the ship using heavy fuel oil. See, this is the burner control panel and the boiler is this one. This is the boiler and this is FT fan of the boiler and the boiler burner is there. This is the boiler. Now it is firing. You can see the fire. See, there is the fire inside the boiler. And this is the incinerator we used to uh, use for waste items like cardboards and waste oils, like those things we used to burn on board. We cannot burn plastic, that's why it is pasted no plastic. And all these are fuel lines, that's why it is covered with the this is the fuel oil filter, one of the filter. All these fuel oil lines are covered with uh, this aluminum colored one. And now you can see all these are FO heaters, fuel oil heater, and this is the one of the filter, jet filter. And now you can see the booster pumps for the main engine fuel oil supply. And you can see all HFO purifiers, 1 2 3 HFO purifiers to purify the heavy fuel oil. And these are the control panels for the purifiers. Now you can see this is step down transformer from 440 to 110 volt, and these are the panels for the seawater pumps. And inside you can see this is the MSB room and HVSB room also, high voltage and low voltage, both all the connections from here only. So this is the air condition for the MSB room. This is the BT control panel, and these all are engine room supply and exhaust fans. And this is the BT control panel, both thruster control panel, both thruster starter also. And this is powered with 6.6 kV volts. And this is MSB medium voltage switchboard, and this is the high voltage switchboard. You can see all the generators and both thruster, all the panels are connected from here only. You can see both thruster, this ship having two both thrusters, so one of them are connected here with the high voltage breaker VCB. You can see all the equipments. I will show you by opening the panel if I have time. See, now the BT is running, and this is the reefer transformer, means we used to load the reefers also on the ship, so that's why we have separate transformers for the reefers. And we can see all four generator panel, and this is the bus raiser and synchronizer panel. So by this one we can manually synchronize the generator, or else automatically also it will synchronize automatically. In the bus tie panel you have seen, see, this generator is running, generator number 4. Now we are running the BT, so we need to run 3 generators. So you can see this generator also running. And the generator number 2 is not running, all others are running. And you can see all other panel. This is the both resistor number 1 and number 1 starter panel. So you can see the lights, green lights. This is showing that this the both resistor is running. This is the low voltage switchboard, means 440 volt switchboard. You can see all the breakers and all equipments breakers. You can see these colors, some of them are in full white and black, and some of them are having black and black letters and red lining. You can see this bus tie panel for the medium voltage switchboard, MVSB 440 volts. And this is the low insulations, that one, okay, low insulation. This is the secondary panel, means this 1 and 2 is connected by the bus tie. And these are the starter panels for the all pumps, all major pumps in the engine room. You can see lube oil pump, this one. So for now it is running, it is connected with 440 volts. So these all our pumps are running with the 440 volts. Only 6.6 kV is used for both resistor. That is very big motor, around 2000 kilowatt. It is divided, the starter panels are divided by the groups. So this is group 1 and group 2, group 3, it is divided like that. The group 2, group 3 is depends on the location, means if it is on the forward, motors are in the forward, so group 2 will be on the forward side, so to minimize the running of the cables, it is designed like that. And this is battery backup for the MSB control, HVSB control. Okay, these are batteries. You can see it is, these batteries are total around 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 batteries are there, 6 into 12. Okay, for 110 volt. And now you can see the transformer room. These are the transformers. Here we have transformers, about 5 transformers here we have, and one more in the forward side. So total we have 6 transformers in the ship. Okay, 2 main transformers. You can see this is HV main transformer, 6.6 kV to 450 volt, 60 heads. So we have 6 transformers, 2 for the main transformer and 4 for the reefers. So all are in working condition, all are running for now. So you can see number 4 transformers and the transformer details, ratings, all the things are here. So we are coming out from the transformer room. Now you can see the tanks, settling tanks, lube oil settling tanks for the ME and generators also, GE and ME, main engine and generator engines. Cylinder oil, lube oil. Thank you for watching.